welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be reviewing the Rimmel Instant Conceal and Contour Trio. This retails for $6 at Walmart. I luckily found this for $3 on Walmart.com. Definitely check there first if you're interested in this product. There is 3 different shade trios. This one is light, there is a dark, and there is a color correcting trio as well. I like the packaging. It's hard plastic, sturdy. I like that pink metallic writing on there. I like it's clear, you can see what's in there. You have a mirror, so you have your highlight, your concealer, and your contour. Now I think this palette literally is so perfect for light skin tone. It's not too dark. It works perfectly for my skin tone. I do wish that they had a wider shade range in this because there's a lot of skin tones out there, obviously. But this does work really nice for the light skin tones. I am very pale, fair, like lightest shade in all the foundations and everything. So this does work great for me. Or a thick mousse consistency. They are very concentrated, you guys. Think of the Rimmel Mousse foundation. They're kind of like that moussey texture. I really like it. It's so nice. These do not look cakey on the skin. They didn't oxidize. They didn't settle in the pores. I'm surprised they didn't look cakey by the end of the day just because they're a thicker product and stuff. But yes, they did not look cakey. Happy they didn't oxidize. And they didn't settle in my pores, so that's an even bigger plus. They blend so nicely, literally effortlessly. I use a beauty sponge and sometimes my finger. They blend out really nice with your finger as well. I mean, so easy. And a little of this product does go a long way because it's a thicker consistency and it's concentrated. I mean, don't use a heavy hand with this product. A little goes a long way. I think this little palette is perfect for travel because you have the little mirror and you have all your little products here. You have a face highlight, you have your concealer, and you have a contour all in one. And they're cream products to set on with a powder. Perfect for travel. And I think it did a great job at concealing and contouring and also brightening my face. And I like that the contour in there is warm and you can use it as a bronzer as well. Just overall, this palette is so nice. It works great. There's not any bad things I have to say about this product. I love it so much. I've been using it ever since I got it. How I use the highlight in the trio is I like to define my brows with the highlight there. And so I use that on my brows. I conceal on my cheeks with the concealer, and I use the contour as a contour bronzer kind of thing. I put it in my contour bronzing areas and blend it out, and I just set it with my setting powder, and it lasts all day. It looks good, blends out easy, doesn't make the contour doesn't make you look dirty because it blends out so nicely, effortlessly. So I definitely recommend trying out this Rimmel Instant Conceal and Contour Trio. And I'm usually not a fan of these concealer type palettes. The concealers usually end up being very thin and there's no coverage. They're kind of oily a lot of times. But this one, and it being concentrated and a thick mousse-like consistency, it actually works. I would say it has a medium coverage and you could build it up to, but then you might start having the cakey issue. Definitely a medium coverage for the concealer. But overall, yes, I think this product is fantastic. For the price point, you can't beat it. I just love how concentrated these are and the mousse-like consistency. I can't get over that. And how easily they blend, you guys. And not settling in pores, not oxidizing. And even furthermore, I love that a little goes a long way. So, highly recommend this product. I definitely hope you guys will try it out. Let me know if you have. Let me know what you think of it. Let me know about your experience in the comments below. So, with that said, don't forget to check the description box for additional links, you guys. And stay tuned for more videos. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring that bell if you haven't already. And thank you guys always for watching.